Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps to show your personal information on the Discord app using your PC. With the latest update, some settings have changed slightly. So if you've been looking for where to adjust this option, this guide will make it crystal clear. First, go ahead and open the Discord app on your computer. If you aren't already logged in, enter your details and make sure your main window is open. Once you're inside, the next thing to look for is the small gear icon, which sits at the bottom left corner of the screen right next to your profile picture and username. This gear icon is your settings menu, where all the customization options for your Discord account live. Click on that gear icon, and from here you'll be taken into the user settings. On the left-hand side, you'll see a long list of sections. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Streamer Mode. This section is specifically designed to protect your privacy while streaming or sharing your screen, and it comes with some automatic settings that can hide sensitive details by default. Once inside Streamer Mode, pay attention to the setting called Hide Personal Information. When this option is enabled, Discord hides things like your email, connected accounts, and sometimes usernames from appearing on your screen. If you want that personal information to show, all you need to do is disable this option. Simply click the toggle switch to turn it off, and the setting will update instantly. After you have disabled Hide Personal Information, you can back out of the settings menu. Your personal details should now appear normally across the app the way you'd expect. Remember, this only affects the way information is hidden or displayed on your own device, so it's useful when you need to see account information directly while using Discord. And that's it. Just 4 easy steps. Open Discord, click the gear icon, go to Streamer Mode, and turn off Hide Personal Information. With these quick adjustments, you'll have full control over how your details appear in the app.